The time to buy muln stock is now. Investor Place published a news article with this title 1 month ago when muln shares were trading at $2. Anyone who listened to this advice lost 50% of their money on the trade. Investor Place just published an article that said there are no muln shares available to short, and muln stock warning, get out while you still can. Stop trusting these horrible news outlet sources. We interrupt this YouTube video to give you an emergency stock warning. C3AI has rallied 100% since we first bought the stock, and we are looking to close our position before the $50 level as the earnings can crash the stock. Take a look at when we bought the stock right here and where we're taking profits.
When we were first buying AI, it was all the way back here when it was $23. So AI is almost doubled now to $41.30, selling more of your position at $42.58, $44.43.
AI was an insane play and the reason why you definitely need to be part of the Discord. The stock rallied to $46.26. Our profit target was at $44.43. As you heard just now, C3AI was called out when the stock was just $23. You can see when we first started calling out and trading the stock right here, and the stock is up literally 100% from our entry today on May 30th. 2023. Guys, if you're not in the Discord already, click the link in the description, get access, stop missing out on these winning trades. We have a live session tomorrow where you can start make money with us live. I will show you exactly where I'm buying and selling these stocks. It's not financial advice, but if you follow what we are doing here, you can see the potential gains in your trading account. So I'll see you there. Muln shares have fallen from $10 to 72 cents after we warned traders not to buy the stock. I even sent out an additional warning on May 26th that said when muln pumped to $1, it can fall really hard from there, and muln stock has fallen down to 70 cents, which means any trader who invested and didn't sell when we sold lost 30% of their savings. We got traders out of muln at just the right time because we are the only stock trading group that actually takes care of you. A lot of stock trading groups will talk about stocks that go up, but when you lose money and a stock goes down and it never goes back up, they won't tell you that it's never going to go back up or that you should sell your position, because they really don't care about you. They only care about calling out the trades that they call out that actually do go up, so that they can say, hey look, I called a winning trade. They'll call out 10, 20 different stocks so that they can say, hey look, I called out this winning trade. Look, there's video proof that I called out this winning trade. We only call out 1, maybe 2 stocks per video, and almost every single one has been a winner, but only on the Rocket Day Trading channel. If you appreciate that kind of help, then please subscribe and click the notification button, because you're going to be getting those trades and it's only going to benefit you. So we called out laser and AI stock on May 15th. AI was at $23 at the time. If you were a part of the Pro Discord, you would have made 100% profit. So you would have made a lot of money off of our AI trade. In fact, Mr. 305 here actually made $15,000 in profit on AI just today. He bought at $35.77 and sold at $45.27. All the profit targets were given in the Discord and in the live session that I hosted for my traders and only for my Discord traders. So if you're not part of the Discord, make sure to click the link in the description. It's 100% free to join. And if you want to upgrade your membership, there's an option to do that as well. ILEV, another stock we called out on the 25th, went to 89% profit. So it went from $3 to $5.89. It almost doubled in 1 day. So if AI was awesome, doubling over the course of about 2 weeks, then ILEV was amazing, going up 100% in a single day. Now, I do like the stability of AI stocks, so I'm not going to say ILEV is a better stock than AI, but keep in mind that if you are part of the Discord, you would have been notified about ILEV before it went up 100%, well, 90%. And DL Corby made $300, Standard made $600 his first day trading with with the pro group. These two traders made almost $1,000 today on our callouts. Time to take care of yourself. It's time to take care of yourself because we have a free live day trading event tomorrow at market open, where I will actually be there right over your shoulder helping you buy and sell winning trades. Let me repeat that. I will help you buy and sell winning trades. It's not financial advice. I'm only showing you what I'm doing, but you can do whatever you want. If you want to take the same trade as me, if you want to take my winning trades, then I'm not going to stop you. In fact, you're going to have a video feed that shows you exactly what I'm doing, and what you do with it from there is on you. Don't just believe you can make money. Actually make money. I will be there by your side showing you what stocks that I'm trading, where I'm buying them, what price I'm buying them for, and most importantly, where to sell them. No trade is guaranteed in the market. I don't care what anyone says. But we have such a track record for success. If you do not show up to the live session tomorrow at market open, you are shooting yourself in the foot. AMC at lows. AMC is at 463 on May 30th. AMC can bounce to 532 over a period of about 3 to 5 trading days. Be aware, as AMC has had news recently that may cause the stock to continue lower for the foreseeable future. There are 3 instances in the past where AMC has rallied from the $4 level, and so it is possible that AMC can begin to rally again to our price target of 532. AMC is not a call out, but I will give you one call out today. We are taking a look at a stock called LWLG at $7. I'm watching this stock at $7. Our traders have already made money on this stock.
All right, let's look into some midday plays. So for midday plays, I'm looking at LWLG. LWLG is currently at about $7.35. We're looking for a bounce off of 717 or possibly $7. So you can start building your position here and holding it for swing trade, okay?
After we called out LWLG stock at 10:40 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, the stock did bounce at $7.12, just 5 cents from where we predicted the stock would bounce. The stock then rallied to $7.98, which means almost $1 per share rally. This was a fantastic trade, only given to pro traders. You can click the link in description in order to get access, because we called out the stock at $7.12 and we got a rally all the way to $8. The stock is still trading at around $7. If it pulls back to $7, if LWLG pulls back to $7 and we get the confirmation signals, which are on the Discord, then this stock can rally again. This is LWLG stock, my friends, and it is one of the strongest stocks in the stock market, which is what I do for my traders each and every day. I help them find the strongest stocks in the stock market. I do all the due diligence for them. I do the math. I do the risk reward ratio. I show them where to put the stop loss. I show them where to take profits. I do all of this every single day for my trading group, and that's how I'm able to say, oh, my trader made $1,000. Oh, my trader made $5,000. Oh, Mr. 305, right? $15,000 in profit today. It's all right there. You can talk to him, right? Don't annoy him, but you can talk to him. We called out AI a long time ago, and he traded the stock and made $15,000 today. If you want to be like Mr. 305, if you want to be like our successful traders, all you have to do is join the Discord. Click the link in the description and DM me if you want to join the pro Discord, which is even better than the free Discord. You guys have a fantastic day. I will see you guys in the next video.
Are you still bag holding that meme stock? Waiting to break even? Have you lost too much money to sell? Stop trusting bad traders. You need Coach Koda, the essential stock trading coach. He's helped hundreds of traders just like you go from losing money in the stock market to placing successful trades. No more bag holding. If you have seen Coach's channel, you know how consistent he is at finding the rare trading opportunities before they happen. If you had Coach Coda by your side from day one, would you have lost your hard-earned money in the stock market? When you become a pro member, you get immediate access to Coach's exclusive trades every trading day. Rocket Trading Pro is so much more than trading signals. You get access to Coach's tight-knit inner circle. Imagine trading alongside a stock market genius. You will know when Coach is buying or selling a stock in his private Discord. You don't have to feel the fear and uncertainty of trading alone anymore. Coach will guide you every step of the way. While we can't promise you will make $1 million your first day, if you follow instructions, you will notice yourself winning more and more of your trades. Pro members are already earning with Rocket Trader Pro right now. Imagine yourself about to place a trade after losing $2,000 on your first trade and $4,000 on the stock Teddy Zane swore would go to the moon. A little scary, right? Now imagine Coach showing you exactly where he is buying or selling a stock while reassuring you of your probabilities of success. He has been trusted by hundreds of new and experienced traders for over 10 years, but you watch his channel. You already know how devoted Coach is to your success. How much money will you lose without your coach? You know you need this. Join now and make the greatest trade of your life.
You've worked with traders in the past who promised the world but gave you nothing. Is it time to work with someone with a consistent track record for success? You know there are cheaper trading memberships out there. But this is your money we are talking about. What is the use of paying less if you don't get the result you want?